What's up, everybody? This is Jose Ortiz from PetRockMedia.com, back again with another video, and today we are unboxing and taking a first-hand look at the brand new Echo Show 5. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so before we get started, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you're notified each and every time we post a video or go live on this channel. So as the title suggests, today we're going to take a look at the brand new, recently released, couple weeks back, the Amazon Echo Show 5. This has a 5.5 inch screen. It takes place of, it's kind of in the middle between the Echo Dot and the big Echo Show. This is the smaller version of the Echo Show. So the Echo Show that's out right now, kind of like the bigger, more pro looking one, if you will, is got about a 7-inch screen, if I'm not mistaken. And this one has a 5.5 as the box shows. Let me get that to focus. There you go. So you can see we got this in the kind of whitish gray color. Same voice commands you can give on all of them. I'm not going to say typically the word because I don't want any of y'all's devices going off, but you know, starts with the letter A. What Amazon has really taken to is pretty simplistic packaging. So for the package, all there is that little, let me kind of get this to focus, this little strip right here. And all you do is slide like so, and there you go. So you can see on the back, it's got all the different, you know, what Alexa can do, basically. Oh, I said it. Sorry. Hopefully nobody's devices went off. Control smart homes, obviously. Cook along with simplistic recipes. Video calling and messaging and so forth from different Echoes back and forth. Echo Shows with screens. You can make video calls, voice calls, things like that. So the box unboxing is that little strip. You open it up and automatically you're greeted with your show. There it is right there. And it's in some packaging. And you see there's the power. There is the USB, which you don't use USB for power. I'm not really sure what the USB port is for, or the little micro USB, but it's not for power. It actually has a dedicated power button. And then your typical 3.5 millimeter auxiliary jack if you want to hook it up to an external speaker. Then you have things to try with Alexa. Oh, said it again. Sorry about that. Things to try, ready to help, enjoy your favorite music, and so forth. Then the little operator booklet, which is pretty simple. And then it's got the limited warranty stuff and things on the back. And then you flip it open still in the box. And all there is down at the bottom is the power cord. It doesn't come apart. It's kind of hard on there. And here you go. Here's the power. All right. So you can see. Now, comparison with my phone, I was looking for my phone. Here is the iPhone 10 that I have, right? So roughly the same width. You can see the screen is roughly about the same. Now what's cool about this is that it does kind of lean at an angle. I like the way it looks. They do come in black, and then it comes in this slate gray white color. It's the white version, but it's kind of grayed on the side. You can see right there. Sandstone, if you will, is what I think they call it. Here's the opening up like that. And then it slides out. And there you go. And then you can hear. It's kind of got some cloth feel to it. Very, very nice. There's the camera. Lighting. And then on the bottom, it has kind of like this rubber feel to it, so that way it won't slide back and forth. Once you place it down, it is there for you, so it won't move back and forth. And then on the top, what's cool is it has these buttons. It's got the mute, so that way, you know, when you say the awake word, let's say you're filming, like mine right now is off. You can have it off there. Then your plus and minus for volume. And this is what's kind of cool. This is for the camera, since there is a camera in the front that closes it, and then that leaves it open. So you can kind of, you know, have a little bit more security and privacy when you're utilizing that. to kind of go screen to screen. A lot of times people feel like if they do get hacked, they can log in, which technically they can. So it's best to always, if you're not going to be utilizing that, just slide it over so that way you don't have to worry about anybody spying on you if you're not wanting them to see you. So let's get this set up. I'm going to set this up over here on the side and let's get some footage on it and let's see what it looks like. So as you can see, guys, this is what it looks like already set up. There it is right there. And in comparison, right next to it is a pop vinyl. So you can kind of see how wide it is compared to a pop. But behind it is a an open bag of coffee that I received as a gift. It's very, very small compared to my hand. It's a very tiny package. But what's cool about it is that if you have smart cameras, if you have any kind of smart devices, and you actually want to screen on this bad boy, you can definitely take advantage of that and not have to worry about purchasing one of the larger ones. And all in all, guys, this is a great way for you to step into the kind of smart screened voice assistants and not have to worry about spending a fortune. These things retail for $89.99. However, recently on Prime Day, I was able to pick some up for $39.99 a piece. So it's something for you to think about. If this is something that you're interested in, definitely worth the price. Even if it was the $89.99, I definitely recommend picking up one of these, because they will help you in your smart home endeavors and wanting to control any kind of smart objects in your home. You will definitely take advantage of that with one of these. Okay, guys, so that about wraps it up. Just wanted to give you a quick overview, quick first impressions of the new Amazon Show 5-inch model, 5.5 inch, so to speak. This is a great way if you're trying to get into the smart home tech and you want a voice assisted device. However, you don't want to break the bank. And if you have some smart devices, if you have, let's say, a Ring video doorbell, if you've got some Wise cameras or even some other type of smart cameras, just go on over to the Amazon Echo Show website. It'll show you all the different items that are compatible with this thing. Under the Amazon app, you'll see all the different skills that you can have, from smart plugs to smart cameras to security cameras, you name it. It can most likely work with one of these types of smart devices from the Amazon Show family. But once again, guys, I just wanted to give you that brief overview. If you're new to the channel, again, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you're notified each and every time we post a video. And this is Jose Ortiz from PetRockMedia.com, signing out. Peace.